Welcome to GAYAS classes for mathematics. Today I am going to start very important topic, that is arithmetic progression AP class 11, and this is part number 6. Let us see. So here the first point is very important concept, is what? Selection of terms in an AP when number of terms is odd. So you know AP is what? Arithmetic progression where the common difference is it. So sometimes this type of question come ki 4 terms sum, 3 terms sum. So for this technique is what? Ki selection of terms in AP when number of term is odd. So always remember that is what? Ki middle term. Middle term of AP will be what? A. And this is CD, and common difference will be what? D. So suppose we are giving some example. Suppose we are, the number of terms is what? Odd. Suppose we are taking 3 numbers. So 3 numbers in AP. So if we are taking 3 numbers in AP. So technique is what? First number, second number and third number. So always remember middle term will be what? A, and common difference will be what? D. So here middle term is this, so this is A. Now common difference is, so when we are going forward we will add, when we are going back we will subtract. So here common difference it is, so next term will be what? A plus D, and this term will be what? A minus. In this way we can find easily 3 number of term is what? A minus D, A and A plus D. Okay. In the same way, suppose we are finding 5 numbers. 5 numbers in AP. So this is first, second, third, fourth and 5. Okay. So now the same technique. Middle is what? This. So this term will be what? A. Now we have to find these 2 terms and these 2 terms. So common difference is D. So this will be what? A plus D. This will be what? A plus 2D. Now back. Here this will be what? A minus D. And this will be what? A minus 2D. In this way we have found 5 terms in AP. A minus 2D, A minus D, A plus D, A plus D. You can check. AP means common difference is it. So second minus first. So A minus D minus A plus 2D. So A cancel, we get D. Second, third minus second. A minus A plus D. Again common difference is D. Again A plus D minus A. Common difference is D. Again A plus 2D minus A minus. Common difference is D. Here you can also check this minus. So A minus A plus D. Common difference D. A plus D. So any number of terms you are finding odd, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, any number of terms, you can go for this. So simple concept, middle term A and common difference will be what? D. Now see the next concept, important concept is what? So selection of terms in an AP when number of terms is what? Even. Suppose we are finding 2 terms in AP, 4 terms in AP, 6 terms in AP, 8 terms in AP. Then what is the technique? So technique is what? So always you fill middle terms first. So middle terms will be what? That is A minus D and A plus D, because number of terms is even. So always middle term will be what? 2 term. So A minus D, A plus D. And common difference, that is CD, will be always what? 2D. So this is the technique for taking what? Number of terms in AP when total number of terms is given what? Even. See example. Suppose we are taking 2 terms. 2 terms in AP. So 2 terms only given. So simple, we know my terms is what? A minus D, A plus D. You can check when we go for the common difference. So this minus this, we will get 2D. Now suppose we are finding what? That is 4 terms in AP. So 4 terms in AP. So this is first term, second term, third term and fourth term. So rule is what? Always middle term will be A minus D and A plus D. So this is A minus D and this is A plus D. Now my common difference is what? 2D. So here A plus D and we are going next. So we will add 2D. So we will get what? A plus 3D. Here we are going back. So we will subtract minus 2D. So A minus D minus 2D is what? A minus 3D. So this is A minus 3D. In this way we have easily found 4 terms in AP. Right? 4 even terms in AP. In the same way we can find 6 terms in AP, 8 terms in AP, 10 terms in AP. Only we have to remember what? Middle terms when the number of terms is even. Middle terms will be 2 always. A minus D, A plus D. And common difference will be what? 2D. So next term will be adding 2D we will get, and before subtracting 2D we will get the next term. In this way we can find any number of terms when even terms is given. Now see the third question. The third question is what? The sum of 3 number in AP is minus 3 and their product is 8. Find the number. So for this type of question, first you assume or let 3 numbers in AP. So we are taking 3 numbers in AP. 3 number in AP equal to, this is first number, second number and third number. Technique is what? When we are taking 3 number, that is odd number. So middle term will be always A and common difference will be D. So next number will be what? A plus D, and this number will be what? A minus D. Now according to question, sum of 3 number is minus 3. So this is A minus D plus A and plus A plus D is minus 3. So this D and this cancel, we will get what? 3A equal to minus 3. So A is what? Minus 1. Now the next is what? Their product is 8. So their product is 8 means what? This is given A minus D into A plus D, and this equal to what? 8. Right? So now A is what? Minus 1. So we can write here minus 1 minus D into minus 1 and minus 1 plus D equal to 8. So here minus 1, so it will become positive. So we will get D plus 1 into this is what? D minus 1. Minus 1 plus D, we can write D minus 1. This equal to 8. You know A plus B, A minus B. D plus 1, D minus 1, D square minus 1 square. So D square minus 1 equal to 8. So D equal to what? 8 plus 1, 9 roots. So we will get what? Plus minus 3. So that is 3 and minus 3. Okay. Now you see, suppose we are taking A equal to minus 1 and D equal to what? 3. Then my number is what? First number is A minus D. So this is A minus D. So minus 1 minus 3 minus 4. Second number is what? A. So A is what? Minus 1. And next number is what? A plus D. So minus 1 and plus 3 is what? 2. So minus 4, minus 1 and 2. This is the pair. Right? So minus 4, minus 1, 2. This number are 3 numbers whose sum is minus 3. Minus 4, minus 1, minus 2. Minus 5 plus 2 is what? Minus 3. And product is 8. Minus 4 into minus 1 into 2 is what? 8. If you put put here, put A equal to minus 1 and D equal to minus 3. Then my number is what? A minus D. So A is what? Minus 1. A is minus 1 and D is what here? Minus 3. So minus minus plus. You get 2. And next number is what? A. So that is A is what? Minus 1. And next number is what? A plus D. So A is what here? Minus 1 and D is what here? Minus 3. You will get minus 4. So our number will be what? That is 2, minus 1 and minus 4. These numbers are in AP, you can check. Minus 1 second term minus first, minus 3 minus 4 plus 1 also minus 3. In this way we can find any question. Here 3 number required number is minus 4 minus 1 2 or 2 minus 1 minus 4. Now see the question number 4. Fourth question is find 4 number in AP whose sum is 20 and sum of whose square is 120. So again we need 4 numbers in AP. So first you assume or let 4 numbers in AP. So let 4 number in AP is what? So we are taking 4 number 1, 2, 3 and 4. So technique is what? When we are taking even number of terms, then always remember middle terms will be what? A minus D and A plus D. Always remember when we are taking even number of terms. Maybe 2, maybe 4, maybe 6, maybe 8. So here middle terms it is. Now common difference always 2D. So next number will be what? A plus 3D. And here next number will be what? A minus 3D. Now according to question is what? Sum is 20. So when we will add this number, you will get what? A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. And this equal to given 20. So this 3D cancel and this D cancel. We will get what? 4A equal to 20. So A equal to what? 5. Now next one, whose square is 120. So a square is 120 means what? That is A minus 3D square plus A minus D whole square plus A plus D whole square plus A plus 3D whole square. And this is given how much? That is 120. So now you see this is A minus B whole square. So we will get what? A square plus 9D square minus 680. And here also same plus 2AB. So this will be cancelled out. So we are not writing AB term because here 680 negative, 680 positive. Here minus 280, here plus 280. So we are writing only A square and D square. Now in next, this is A square and plus D square. Again here A square and D square. Again here this is A square and plus 9D square is what? 120. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will get 4A square plus 9 plus 1, 10 and here 10. So that is 20. So 20D square equal to what? 120. A is 5. So just put here A equal to 5. So 5 square 25 into 400. So we will get 100 plus 20D square 120. So we can find easily D square is what? 120 minus 100 and divided by 20. So we will get 20 by 20, that is 1. So D equal to what? Plus minus 1, that is 1 and minus 1. So now it is very easy, we can find our number. So here suppose we are finding here my number. So just put, so suppose we are finding here my number. So here my number is what? A equal to 5. Just put A 5 and D equal to what? That is 1. So first number is what? A minus 3D. So A is 5 and minus 3D, that is minus 3, 2. In the same way the next number is what? A minus D. So A is what? 5 and D is 1. So 5 minus 1 is what? 4. Right? Next one is A plus D. So A is what? 5 and D is 1. So this is 6. Again next is what? A plus 3D. So A is what? 5 and 3D, that is 3. So it is 8. So our number is 2468, right? So this is the first case. In the same way, if we put a equal to 5,